Today, I am reviewing the MSI Crosshair A16 HX gaming laptop. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. From the first boot, the combination of the AMD Ryzen 9 8940 HX and the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5060 defines the entire experience. This CPU is not a lightweight mobile chip pretending to be powerful. It behaves like a true high-performance processor, delivering fast system responsiveness, whether you're launching heavy games, compiling code, editing large media files, or juggling multiple demanding applications at once. The system feels consistently quick rather than just fast in short bursts, which is something you only notice after extended use. There is no hesitation when switching tasks, no sluggishness creeping in after hours of use, and that makes a real difference for users who want one machine for both work and gaming. Gaming performance is where the Crosshair A16 HX really earns its name. The RTX 5060, paired with the latest NVIDIA architecture and AI-driven features like DLSS 4, provides a smooth and visually impressive experience in modern titles. Games feel fluid even at higher settings, and the AI upscaling is not just a checkbox feature. It genuinely helps maintain higher frame rates without sacrificing visual clarity, especially in newer or more demanding games. Ray tracing is handled confidently as well, adding realism to lighting and reflections without turning the experience into a stutterfest. This is a laptop that encourages you to turn settings up rather than constantly compromise. The 16-inch QHD Plus display running at 240Hz plays a huge role in how immersive this system feels. The resolution strikes an excellent balance, offering sharp visuals without putting unreasonable strain on the GPU, and the high refresh rate makes everything feel instantly responsive. Fast-paced games benefit the most, with smooth motion and reduced blur, but even everyday use like scrolling, editing, or general navigation feels noticeably more fluid. The larger screen size also makes the laptop more comfortable for productivity tasks, giving you room to breathe when working with timelines, spreadsheets, or multiple windows side by side. Thermal performance is always a concern with high-powered gaming laptops, and this is where MSI's Cooler Boost 5 design shows its importance. During extended gaming sessions or heavy workloads, the system works hard to maintain stable performance. The dual-fan setup and multi-directional airflow do their job by keeping thermal throttling under control. You will hear the fans ramp up under load, and there is no pretending this is a silent machine, but the trade-off is consistent performance rather than sudden drops in frame rate or clock speeds. For a laptop pushing this level of hardware, that balance feels appropriate and well managed. Build quality and usability reinforce the idea that this is a machine meant to be used heavily. The chassis feels solid, with a design that prioritizes durability over minimalism. The keyboard is comfortable for long sessions, whether you are gaming or typing, and the 24-zone RGB lighting adds personality without being distracting. It is customizable enough to suit both gaming setups and more subdued work environments. The trackpad is responsive and accurate, though most gamers will likely rely on an external mouse. Storage and memory choices make sense for the target audience. With 16 GB of DDR5 and a 1 TB NVMe SSD, the system feels ready out of the box. Load times are fast, file transfers are quick, and there is plenty of space for large games and projects. Connectivity is another strong point, with Wi-Fi 6 ensuring reliable wireless performance and USB-C support adding flexibility for peripherals and external displays. This laptop adapts well to different roles, shifting from a gaming rig to a productivity machine without friction. What stands out after longer use is how consistent the Crosshair A16 HX feels. It does not rely on short-lived boosts or flashy benchmarks. Instead, it delivers steady, repeatable performance that holds up during real-world use. That consistency is often more valuable than peak numbers, especially for users who spend hours at a time gaming, working, or creating. Overall, the MSI Crosshair A16 HX is a powerful, confident gaming laptop that knows exactly who it is for. It prioritizes performance, display quality, and sustained capability over portability or silence, and it delivers on those priorities convincingly. For gamers and power users who want a laptop that can handle modern titles, demanding workloads, and long sessions without backing down, this machine feels like a reliable partner rather than a compromised alternative to a desktop.